Tjena! Today we're gonna do some unboxing. Yes, so I bought myself my very first 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player from Sony. It's the Sony UBP-X700. It was the cheapest and most affordable, but yet the best player that I could get, according to my research and a lot of YouTube videos and all that kind of stuff. So I'm stoked because, I mean, who doesn't love movies? At least I do. And then the correct HDMI cable, certified by HDMI themselves, so it can handle the transfer of all the data that 4K and HDR requires. So that's important. And don't buy the most expensive one you find, because that's just shit. Buy the cheapest and the best, HDMI too. Time for some coffee. Now let's see if my skills for opening packages are any good. Got some power cables here. And the control. Yeah, feels pretty cheap. I mean, it will work. Otherwise, very good looking. And here we have the frigolit, as we say in Sweden. Some batteries. Battery! Down, 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 down. I love that song by Metallica. And I always think about the song Battery by Metallica when I fucking see a battery. God, I need to see a doctor, I think. Well, look at this. Very lightweight and compact, and just mostly steel or aluminum and some plastic. Feels robust and feels very good and promising. And here you have the outlets for, I think, yeah, obviously to HDMI. It should have all the Dolby audio formats and DTX, so you can have Dolby Atmos. I don't have a receiver for that yet, but I'm gonna buy that. So, and then I have an optical toss link from the TV to my receiver, and I get some Dolby 5.1 if I want that. And then this is some digital out, and yeah, Wi-Fi. I thought it wasn't had any Wi-Fi, so I bought myself an extra data cable. Okay, well, undrar om vi ska göra en B-roll. Keep dreaming. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. Let's see if I can open this. Remote control, fixed. Power cable. They have a... That was quite short, but I think it will manage. Like that. And then I'm gonna find some power source. I want the player to be here. And it fits perfect. That's great. HDMI. Feels pretty rough. And then you, yeah, I have HDMI video and audio. So that's where we're gonna put our HDMI cable. Bought this. So we have the fastest possible internet connection. Yeah, and now I think with all the cables set in the player, I'm just gonna try to fit this in the TV bench. Yeah, and my girlfriend have the honor to film this, so yeah, give her an applause. Yeah, and I hope my recording computer have to arrive too. Need some light here. Motherfucker. There goes the internet. Look like that. I should maybe fix some cable management. And then this TV only has 2 HDMI ports that supports 4K and HDR, so that is port 1 and 2 on my Philips. I bought this TV for around 5 years ago, so we're gonna like that. My rotor isn't the best either, but it seems to work. I fucking hate it. I mean, why, D-Link, would you do the rotor like this? Time to buy a new one, I think. Like that. Now we're talking. See if it's gonna work. It will fall. Yeah, it doesn't stand good. Let's see if it works. Oh. Ah, you see. Brilliant. Now we're gonna do it like that. Ska man ta finns det svenska? Oh, it's our native language. Yes, I like this. Okej, för att uppleva innehållet 4K Ultra 60p HDR, se till att du har valt korrekt HDMI-inställning. Okay, so this is just a simple setup in Swedish. So yeah, use a premium HDMI high-speed cable. Yes, I have that. TV.
Cool.
Nej. Is this for real? Yeah. Ah, cool thing. That was a very good thing. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Settings. Nätverks. Tillstånd. Med kablar. Okay, yes, it seems to have internet. Ah, you can... picture inställnings. HDR. It should be an auto, because otherwise when you for example play a ordinary Blu-ray player on DVD, it just will show the wrong picture. Dolby Vision is cool. My TV doesn't support that, but this iPhone that's filming this, yeah, it films in that. Det ska vara auto. 24. Ja, det där är nog bra. Inställningar auto. Yes. Sound digital. Yes. ställa in om Dolby Surround ska använda ljudet som matas ut. Ja, det tycker vi va. Mm. Yes, I think this is the shit. And I also have two 4K Ultra Blu-rays. I have the Bram Stoker's Dracula. I love this movie, and as you know it, if you buy a 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, you get the regular Blu-ray version as well. So now I think I'm gonna watch this, and then I also got this, one of my all-time favorites. So I think I got this on VHS back home. I think my mother got it, and then I bought it on DVD, and later the Blu-ray box, and now going full circle. I have heard that it should be some difference, and especially the HDR, because that is almost, I think, a bigger difference in picture quality than just more pixels and resolution. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna... Oh, how do I do that? I think it's just to... Oh, you have to push the button on this. Cool. Let's see. And then push the button. Very nice. Oh, my legs. And then I'm gonna, on the TV, I'm gonna choose some HDR settings as well. Oh. So now it seems to work pretty good, I must say. I mean, obviously not gonna be as good as in real life, but yeah. I mean, I could see some increased details in the shadows, and the HDR, I think, is doing its job. This is a movie that is highly recommended to buy on this format, and it should look very good because it's filmed in on regular film, like 35mm, and then when they do the 4K restoration at the right way, it became better than other newer movies that are mastered in 2K and then upscaled to 4K. So older movies tend to look better. That's what I'm have gotten in. Hur fan säger man? Older movies used to look better. That's what I heard. And like Alien and Jaws, and overall the Lord of the Rings trilogy is like made for this format. So I'm gonna buy that box. And I love those movies too. So yeah, more updates on this are coming. Now we're gonna see if I'm gonna, how the fuck I'm gonna film myself. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and got something out of it, you like movies and all that kind of shit, and tech stuff like getting the most, the best picture and sound quality, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe for more. Cheers.